Bianca, Raymond, and five other people watching. John J. Harty is in there as well. I gave you the old key, John. In you come. Jafar is there as well. Sarah Louise is in there as well. Renata, Catherine Bryant is in there as well. Listening. And James G. Quinn is in listening as well there. And Mossy Power, hi Mossy, how you getting on, man? Listening from Canada. Very nice. Danielle is in there as well. Daniela. I'm just trying to get my chat working here. How's everyone getting on this Sunday now? I'm going early tonight because, as I said before, tonight is Prosecco night, and we're also going to stick up the old Christmas tree a few days earlier than I would normally. But if I don't do it tonight, I won't get it done till next weekend, and then I feel like I'm too late. So. How's it going? Christina is in there as well. I'm good, John Harty. I'm good. And waiting here for this chat to come through properly here. Why is that not working? Oh, I got it now. I think it's coming through now. Let me test this here and see. So, as always, anyone any requests, I should just pop them into the old thread there. Otherwise, just comment. I'm on okay, that's Twitch working, and let's see if YouTube is working. And I'm going to go live on Instagram here now as well in a second, just for the buzz. Just comment. Right on for Peggy, right on. Feliz Navidad. Jesus, I'll have to wait for Bowie for that one there. Jafar, we went through our old Christmas set list there. Maton or Loudon is the big question. I'm doing the Loudon tonight, Zach, but I was gigging me old faithful Maton there the last couple of nights, and delighted with it again. We made up. I still have that one issue though with the D/E string. I'm not happy with, but it's fine. So the Loudon tonight, absolutely, pal. Just because I'm too lazy to take the Maton out of the case now, and the Loudon was just here. So I like trying to use this. I was going to play the old Taylor tonight there, but it's under a load of stuff. Too lazy to take it out. Look at me here sitting, doing nothing. I could be doing something. Let me get the old. Let me see if I can go live on Instagram here as well. Before I do it, and then you can let me know what the sound is like. Let's see. We're now live on Instagram. For how long? And Zach, how are you getting on, man? What are you doing? What are you up to? You must be busy with the Druids. What is that like that? What are you doing? What are you doing apart from shopping for guitars all the time? Fairy Tale of New York. I haven't done it this year yet, James, but I'll do it. I was holding off until December, but as you can see, I have a couple of fairy lights up there, so I'm starting to introduce the old Christmassy buzz now again. What's this one? I'll use that. Facebook chat doesn't work for me anymore. Twitch is working way better for me. I can't even click in on my video on my phone, Patty, on my it's like an iPhone 7 and stuff that I can't even get it working. So I think it's working anyway. I can see the chats coming in here. Julia Arthur is in there as well. Jack, you know yourself. It's never ending, Zach. The quest for the sound. If anyone wants to jump over on the Instagram there as well and have an old look, and you can let me know what the sound is like. I just did a quick test on it there. Who knows what it's like. Well, I bet I'll do a song here anyway. Start off with. I'll hold off for the fairy tale one there. Rainy Night in Soho. I'll do Rainy Night in Soho, and I'll just do one here. As the Snow Fell, that's right on. So I'll do one warm-up song here with Fisherman's Blues or something, and then I'll go from there. And I had a mad couple of gigs there the last few days there, so that was the voice is a little under pressure. Oh yeah, okay, it's working all right, but it's mad. It's mad. Low down in the picture. Maybe that might be better. So this is Fisherman's Blues. I was a fisherman, turning on the sea, far away from dry land and its bitter memories, casting out my sweet line with a abandonment love. No ceiling bearing down on me, set the starry skies above, lighting my head with you in my arms. Oh, 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 oh. I wish I was a brakeman on a hurt and fever train, crashing headlong into the heartland like a cannon in the rain, with the beating of sleepers and the burning of coal. I count the towns flashing by, a night that's full of soul, lighting my head with you in my arms. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. Can't remember if I sang the second verse. Say it did. I know I will be loosened from the bonds that hold me fast. What the chains that hung all around me, they'll fall away at last. And on this fine and fateful day, I will take thee in my arms. I will ride the train, and I will be a fisherman, lighting my head with you in my arms. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, with light in my head, with you in my arms. Whoa, oh, oh, Thanks very much. That is Waterboys there for Fisherman's Blues there. Facebook froze. Renat had to switch over there to Twitch. Well, Twitch is a better experience anyway. And as I said, play around with Twitch. You can close the app and it'll still play in the background if you want to do some stuff there as well. You know, so you can look up new guitars like Zach is doing and listen as well at the same time. Okay, I'll do a ride on and then I'll fix the Instagram camera. There's this weird gap above my head. I don't like it. I am Adele, 56. Who's I am Adele? I can't even see the picture. And Shawnee Bergen is in there as well. How are you, Shawnee? An old mate of mine from back home. Drank my first pint of Guinness, I think, with Shawnee. 14 years old, 15. And Chad is there as well. In there as well. Nashville, and an absolute legend there. And I've been chatting with Chad a lot there the last couple of months there, doing a few bits and pieces with him there, which reminds me I need to send you that video as well. Okay, so here's Right On. See if the voice will hold up for this one. True, you ride the finest horse I've ever seen, standing 16, 1 or 2, with eyes wild and green. And you ride that horse so well, with hands light to the touch. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. And you ride into the night without a trace behind. Run your claw along my gut one last time. I turn to face an empty space where you used to lie, and look for a spark that lights the dark like a teardrop in my eye. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Thanks very much. There's a little bit of right on there. That was for Peggy Harty was looking for that one there. So let me just fix this Instagram camera here for a second, because it's so high. I don't like it. Oh, it's so high. I think I'll just twist it like that. Maybe it'll stay like that. Maybe it won't. Okay. So I have so I know loads of stuff that are coming in there. As I said, I'll leave Felice and Navidad. As the snow fell, okay, I'll do that one for you. I saw another rainy night in Soho there as well. So I'll do them once. Let me see here. I'll do where's I'll see if I can do what would I do that one? So this is I'll do it as the snow fell. I haven't done this one in a while, so I'll do it on A. Then I'll do Rain Night in Soho. Coldness was unforgettable, but a cold day can be so beautiful. The sadness did steal in and out. This girl has gone for now, but we'll miss her no doubt. And as the snow fell upon the flowers, I thought only of beauty that hour. The snow so pure fell from the sky. When snowflakes fall, nothing dies. It's an angel's ride. It's an angel's ride. Like the thought of turning the moment, a moment of sadness into slight happiness. If she were here and seen a tear, she would be so mad to see you so sad. And as the snow fell upon the flowers, I thought only of beauty that hour. The snow so pure fell from the sky. When snowflakes fall and nothing dies, that's an angel's light. That's an angel's light. Every story was told with smiles, the tales of laughter echoed for miles. A visit to the square, the night before. Good times were had there, good memories to store. And as the snow fell upon the flowers, I thought only beauty that hour. Snow so pure fell from the sky, and snowflakes fall and nothing dies. And as the snow fell upon the flowers, I thought only of beauty that hour. Snow so pure fell from the sky, and snowflakes fall and nothing dies. It's when angels fly. It's when angels fly. It's when angels fly. It's when angels fly. Thank you very much. There's a song called As the Snow Fell there, a song we wrote about a good friend of ours, mother, who passed away a few years ago there. So that's a woman from Rathdowney. So she was like a second mammy to Bowie, one of Bowie's best friends there, but he was a friend of the family's anyway. So As the Snow Fell, and I love doing that one there. I had to bring down the key a little bit there. Rainy night in Soho. I'm gonna miss loads of chatting here. I wonder, should I just go down through the chatting and you can keep reminding me. What do you think? What do you think about that? Nicholas there. How are you, Nicholas? Nice to have you on the old stream, man. And Sally there as well. I think I'll try and use my memory to remember the songs, or else I'll type them down here maybe. I don't want to miss anywhere. Jill, person is in there. Hi from Sweden. Thank you for the music. You're very, very welcome. Thanks for jumping on the stream. I said Sarah Locklear is in there as well. Caroline Venegas is in there as well. Hello, and thank you from Switzerland. Thanks for jumping on the stream. Carolina, I would say. Liam Fitz is in there as well. Quick along, hitting the road to a gig, but listening in the Jeep on Bluetooth. Ooh, just had to drop the old Jeep there as well, and the old fancy Bluetooth. Liam, safe driving, man. And best luck at the gig tonight as well. I hope you have a good one. Hope you enjoy it. I posted a comment. Instagram is separate. John is totally separate chat. It won't show up there. It's not part of the. I'm using like a thing called Restream just to pump out the stream onto the platforms, and then they offer a chat, an amalgamated chat option as well, and that's how I can only see Twitch, Facebook and YouTube there. I won't be able to see the Instagram. That's why I have Instagram open here, and I can see Seamus Harrison in there, and Vicky is in there as well. Vicky Elizabeth is in there as well. Oh, you Vicky, and Haley Yo-Yo, and the Fiery Ginger, and Rob Allen Jr. as well. Jr. Who's that? Rob Allen. Who's that? Hanka is in there as well. Hi, Hanka. Dave Flanagan is in. Deli is in there as well. Kelly is in there as well on the Instagram. She likes the old Instagram angle. And then my Weekend Club is in there as well. And it's got a little bit funny there, like the texting. It's Vidara it's Vid this Sarah Swat joined. Hey. So you're very welcome if you join on Instagram as well. I'm over as well on Twitch, YouTube and Facebook. You can find me there on Twitch, Key Finn Music. That's on Twitch, and if you just search Kieran Finn Music on YouTube, you'll find me on that, or on my Kieran Finn Music page there on Facebook if you want a little bit of a better angle. This is just a phone camera here linked in with it here, but you could be totally happy with that. And let me see here. I'm going to do Rainy Night in Soho here. And thanks very much, guys. That's a lovely song there. And when I say we wrote that, like Bowie kind of really wrote that. But we just have the old 50-50 buzz going on, you know. So here's my old tea. Swig of tea. Have a can of Guinness there ready to go as well. And me Julie. Julie's on there as well. Bonsoir, Julie. And Lucilla there as well on the old Instagram there as well. How are you getting on down there? My good mates, James's wife, down there in Abbeyfield. Turnafulla. And it's great to see you the last time down there in Killarney. Have a few pints down there. And walked around Killarney for an hour with James. With a GPS bringing us squaways, assways. So it was. Man, where's the E one? Sorry. Yeah, okay. Let's try Rainy Night in Soho. I've been loving you a long time, down all the years and down all the days, and I've cried for all your troubles, smile at your funny little ways. We watched our friends grow up together, and we saw them as they fell, and some of them fell into heaven, and some of them fell into hell. I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms on a rainy night in Soho. The wind was whistling all its charms, and I sang you all my sorrows, and you told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song all those little girls and boys. Sometimes I wake up in the morning, a ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cloak of silence. I hear you talking in my head. I'm not singing for the future, I'm not dreaming of the past, I'm not talking of the first time. I never think about the last. Now the song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means. Still there's a light I hold before me. You're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my dreams. Actually, much there's a song called Rainy Night in Soho. Nice one. Thank you very much. Let me just fix this here a little bit. That's better. Sunday therapy sessions. Very nice. Thanks, Kelly and Liz K. Oh, that's Elizabeth Kalund. Yeah, I can't see him. Barb in Niagara. Oh, you Barb. Niagara Falls. The Canadian side or the American side? Oh, I see the next one. Canada. the Canada flag and the little snowflake as well. I'd say it's cold over there now as well. Right now in Canada. Okay, let me just check back at this. Oh, don't tell me the chat's gone. Trish is in there as well, and Bascus, Hilda Donegal. Okay, and let me see. I hope I'm not missing anything here. let's do. I know I have to do. I hope I didn't miss any chat when I went over this thing here. Maybe I didn't. Did I? I don't think I did. Thanks very much. Oh, Sydney Deering is in there as well. How you, Sydney? Leona van der Meulen is in there as well. Thanks for jumping in there as well on the old stream. I hope you're enjoying your Sunday. And what's that? Iona? Wavun. Are they two L's? No, they're two I's, so it's Iona. Wavun, I think it is. Vibun. And Sally Ferguson is in there as well. John Timaeus is in there as well. I never gave you a shout out, John. How are you getting on, man? Nice to have you on the stream again. Hope you're keeping well over there. Little Drummer Boy is a class song, James. I've often thought about doing that again. I think I tried it last year. Heather Niles is in there as well. How are you, Heather? I missed your comment. Sorry about that. And Jack Whitefoot is in there as well. I missed Jack's comment there as well. I think I'm way back. I think I'm okay with the comments. Let's go on here another little bit, and I'll do Jesus, Freemind. Okay, the voice is a bit ropey, but I could try Freemind in different shapes that I've never done before. I'll do it in a little bit. I'll do this first one here first. There, I'll do Hills of Donegal for Sarah Louise, and then I'll do Fairton, New York, and then I will do Basket Case, and then I'll do Freemind. So here we go. Here's Hills of Donegal. This will wake the old voice up. Talk about Atlantis, how it's lost beneath the sea. The grave and the old soldier, the cry the old banshee. Who was the man in the iron mask? Jack the Ripper set free. But ask them all, where's Donegal? It's still a mystery. And if I could, I'd build a wall all around Donegal. When north and south to keep the magpie, God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I'd legalize them all. We have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Late night pubs, all night clubs, blackjack and roulette. Neil Blaney, Bridget Nielsen, Mike Tyson having a bet. And in a show that would be known for its filthy millionaires. And on a trumpet like a tongue to live in solitaire. If I could, I'd build a wall all round Donegal. When north and south to keep them out by God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I'd legalize them all. And we have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Top of every girl would give me such a thrill. Well, I heard they said in Dublin there's gold in them there hills. But don't despair, cause if you dare, the answer lies with me. There's a wall of steep and a scone cheap somewhere in Germany. If I could, I'd build a wall all around Donegal. Well, north and south to keep them out by God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I'd legalize them all. And we have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. And if I could, I'd build a wall all around Donegal. Well, north and south to keep them out by God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I'd legalize them all. And we have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. I'm off having my dinner now. Iona, enjoy your dinner. Thanks very much, Christina. Gabby Sailor is in there as well. Beautiful song. Thanks very much, Iona. I don't know what that is. I'm back from Ireland. Were you in Ireland, Gabby? Did I say hello to Bianca? I think I did. Thanks very much. Okay, so I'll do a basket case now. I think that's what it was that I was going to do. Just the lower version of it here. And, okay. Time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once. I am one of those melodramatic fools, neurotic to the bone, no doubt about it. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid, or am I just stoned? Well, I went to a shrink to analyze my dreams. He said it's the lack of sex that's bringing me down. Well, I went to a whore. He said my life's a bore, and I quit my whining, 'cause it's bringing her down. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid, or am I just stoned? That's thing to control, so I better hold on. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. It all keeps adding up, and I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid, or am I just stoned? Or am I just stoned? Actually, much bit of basket case there for you. Let's try what's it called? Fairy Tale of New York. My first time singing this song this year. I was trying to hold out for the 1st of December, But sure, why not? I'll do that. I think I'll do an E as well. Just list down the E one. I can't find it again. Thanks very much, Chad. Chad, I can hear some cool kind of half-time drummy kind of stuff over that. What do you think? You'll be the right man for that. If you're on Instagram there, you see CP drumming there. Chad, Pete Snick, am I saying that right, Chad? Drumming, he's an absolute savage drummer. And I met him over here. He heckled me at a gig over here in Ireland. Heckled the shizzle out of me. and we got that chatting there as well. So hopefully we'll have an old jam. Oh, what's on here? I don't know what I use. Maybe I'll leave off the harmonica just for this time round, and I'll just sing it. Yeah, for next March will be class. Well, let's just see what way things are opened up. I hope we get a Paddy's Day this year, or next year. Sorry, the way they're talking, I don't know. Dansky wedding events joined, and speaking of fantastic musicians there as well, Dansky wedding events there. That's Dan. He's a Moldovan musician, and he plays a lot of instruments, but I do a couple of gigs up there during the week, and he plays fiddle or violin, whatever you want to call it, and he is excelente, an absolute legend of a musician, and it's been a pleasure to be playing with him there. So here's what's it called? Christmas Eve, babe, in the drunk tank, an old man said to me, won't see another one. And then he sang a song, the rear on Mountain Dew. I turned my face away and dreamed about you. Got on the lucky one, came in 18-1. I've got a feeling this year's for me and you. So happy Christmas, I love you, baby. We can see a better time when all our dreams come true. They've got cars, big as bars, they got rivers of gold. Where the wind goes right through you, no place for the old. When you first took me hand on a cold Christmas Eve, you promised me Broadway was waiting for me. You were handsome, you were pretty, queen of New York City. When the band finished playing, they howled out for more. Sinatra was singing, the drunks they were singing. We kissed on the corner and danced through the night. And the boys of the NYPD choir were singing Galway Bay, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. You're a bum, you're a punk, you're an all-something drugs, lying there dead and out, chip in that bed. Ah, you scumbag, you maggot, you you cheap, lousy faggot. Happy Christmas, me arse. You got us all off. And the boys, the NYPD choir were singing Galway Bay, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. Ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da. Well, I could have been someone, well, so could anyone. You took my dreams from me when I first found you. I kept them with me, babe. I packed them with my own. I can't make it all alone. I built my dreams around you. And the boys of the NYPD choir were singing Galway Bay, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. Ya da 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 da, da 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 da, ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da, da 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 da, ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da. Boys at the NYPD choir were singing Galway Bay, and the bells were ringing out, and the bells were ringing out, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. The NYPD choir were singing Galway Bay, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. Ho, 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 Mary. What date is it? Or the 28th? You know, I tried to hold out for December, but as I say, I've got put up my own Christmas light here behind me here, and we're sticking up the Christmas tree because otherwise we won't get it up till next week. I came out wrong. We won't get put the Christmas tree up till next week. Thanks very much, Patty. Who else did I see jumped in there as well? Trish Short. I don't know that I see out to you already. And Kathy, that was right. Kathy McGrath. Kathy McGrath, Wildcat. And thanks very much. Thanks very much, James. Thanks very much, Raymond and Julia. Maurice Roach, 2001. Do I know that? I just can't see the picture. Maurice Roach, 2001. Hello there. Anyway, thanks for and Carly and Christmas in New York. Love to spend Christmas in New York. Michael McCaughey is in there as well. Could you sing your lovely version of Hard Times? I will do that one for you, Kelly. Absolutely. Okay, let me try Free Mind here, but I'm gonna try a different version. Okay, if that's all right with you. Because I don't think I'll be able to handle the original key, and I don't want to tune the guitar down. So I'm gonna see if I can play it in different shapes. So it might sound a bit different. Let me see. Okay, what would I have to do for this one? Nothing is free now but my mind. I long to see you again, today or tomorrow. It won't be so bad. The silence breaks free now of my mind. I long to see you again, today or tomorrow. It won't be so bad. And as we grow older and apart, things just never seem to go right. Now that I've fallen, crawling down on my bruised hands and knees to picture you softly is a sin I never want to confess. And not in this lifetime, my time well spent. And nothing is free now but my mind. I long to see you again, today or tomorrow. It won't be so bad. The silence breaks free now of my mind. I long to see you again, today or tomorrow. It won't be so bad. We took our time, we figured out it wasn't right to scream and shout. The path that you've chosen, frozen down on my bruised, battered skin. You held your chin, you made a fist, you walked away, you were sorely missed. But the road is yours, baby, maybe I'll come too. And nothing is free now but my mind. I long to see you again, today or tomorrow. It won't be so bad. The silence breaks free now of my mind. I long to see you again, today or tomorrow. It won't be so bad. Da 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 da. And nothing is free now but my mind. I long to see you again, today or tomorrow. It's gotta be tomorrow. It won't be so bad. The silence breaks free now of my mind. I long to see you again, today or tomorrow. It won't be so bad. Silence breaks free now, and I'm fine. Thanks very much. There's a little bit of Free Mind. I had to drop the old key down for that one there, kid. Let me see here. I will do Hard Times here for sure. I'll do that one for y'all. But I want to see if I can. Let me go in on this one here. Okay. So let me see if I can go between those two. Sure. Copy this one. Hard times for Kelly. If I missed any requests there as well as lob them in there. Nothing but the same old story. I've just after seeing this one here. I'll do that one. I would like to start doing that one again, and because I just let it slip. Just been letting that one go a little bit, and I would love to get it going again. So I just want to check something here. Lads, if you just joined, thanks very much for joining in on the old stream. I hope you're having a good Sunday. So I'll keep the Instagram open on that, and then how's it again? Hard times. And if you haven't liked the old page, haven't liked any of my Facebook pages or anything like that, go over there and give it a like there if you don't mind, or if you think someone might like the stream, give them a tag, or share it if you want. If you don't mind sharing it to your page or something like that. Jules is in there as well on YouTube. Julianne Foley is in there. How are you, Jules? Long time no here. Hope you're having a good one. Whereabouts in the world are you at the moment? Okay. Thanks, Nicholas. Okay. Let me see if I can get Hard Times here, and then I'll do. I forget what the other one I was going to do there. I've got loads of new songs as well that I've been learning, so I might try a couple of new ones for you. This one is Hard Times. I'm going to do down with D. Let us pause in life's pleasures and count its many tears, while we all sup sorrow with the poor. There's a song that will linger forever in our ears. Whoa, hard times come again no more. While we seek mirth and beauty and music light and gay, there are frail forms fainting at the door. Though their voices are silent, their pleading words will say, "Whoa, hard times come again no more." 'Tis the song, the sigh of the weary. Hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door. Whoa, hard times come again no more. Whoa, hard times come again no more. There's a pale, drooping maiden who toils her life away with a worn-out heart whose better days are gone. Though her voice would be merry, she's sighing all the day. Oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis a song, the sigh of the weary. Hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door. Oh, hard times come again no more. song, the sigh of the weary. Hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door. Oh, hard times come again no more. 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 I call out loud from the mountaintops, freedom calls, it never stops. Hard times come again no more. I call out loud from the mountaintops, freedom calls, it never stops. Hard times come again no more. I call out loud from the mountaintops, freedom calls, it never stops. Hard times come again no more. I call out loud from the mountaintops, freedom calls, it never stops. Hard times come again no. I call out loud from the mountaintops, freedom calls, it never stops. Hard times come again no more. I call out loud from the mountaintops, freedom calls, it never stops. Hard times come again no. Sorry. Oh, I keep getting that mixed up. Anyway, that's Hard Times there for Kelly. I should do that one more, and I should actually listen to it to find out where it goes. Not with the same old story. I'm going to try this one for you here. I don't know, Candlelight and Wine. That's not the first thing this was requested on one of our streams there. Galway Girl or Kirsty Knight. I can do them for you, absolutely, Raymond. And oh yeah, I see Not But the Same coming after that one there. I'll do Not But the Same Old Story first, and then I'll do them ones. Boston Baby. Is it cold over there at the moment? Julianne, let me know how cold is it over there. Pale Maiden Happy. Nice one. Okay, if you just joined us, guys, as well, you're very welcome to the stream. Thanks for jumping in on it. What time is that? It's only, is that right? It's only 6:15. Oh, not too bad. We're doing okay. Stupid tea bags. So I'm going to, and as well, I'm over on Instagram for the crack as well. The old the side stage angle view, and I think I'm still getting the chats on it here. As far as I know, let me just check to see if that's still live. Oh, I think I'm way behind. Anyway, okay, it's all right. So here's Not But the Same Old Story. This was released anyway in 1981 on Paul Brady's Hard Station album. I was just about 19 When I landed on their shore with my eyes big as headlights, like the thousands and thousands that came before, I was gonna be something. A smile at the man scrutinizing my face as I stepped down off of the gangway. Came down to their city, where I worked for many's a year, built 100 houses, must have pulled 500,000 pints of beer, living under suspicion, putting up with the hatred and fear in their eyes. You can see that you're nothing but a murderer. Yeah, in their eyes, we're nothing but a bunch of murderers. So hey Johnny, can't wait till Saturday night. Got a thirst that's raging, I know a place for a weekend, put that right, wash away the confusion. Goes down this fire inside, but look out. Yeah, I said look out, 'cause I tear you into pieces if you cross me. I'm sick of watching them break up every time some bird brain puts us down, making jokes on the radio. I guess it helps them all drown out the sound of the crumbling foundation. Any fool can see the writings on the wall, but they just don't believe that it's happening. There's a crowd says I'm alright, say they like my turn of phrase, take me around to their parties. I like them dressed a monkey in a cage and I play my accordion. Whoa, but when the wine cheats at the facade, it's nothing but the same old story. Yeah, in their eyes, it's nothing but the same old story. So hey Johnny, can't wait till Saturday night. Got a thirst that's raging, I know a place for a weekend, put that right, wash away the confusion. Goes down the fire inside, but look out. Yeah, I said look out, gonna tear you into pieces if you cross me. 2, 3, 4. Got a brother in Boston, said he sent me on the fair, just wrote me a letter, making out that he's cleaning up out there, to cars in the driveway, on a summer house way down on the Cape. I know he'd fix me up in the morning, but I'm not thinking about it. And it seems so far to go. People say in the winter you get lost underneath the snow. Just a skirt from my home place, we've been planning to move back and give it a try, so I never got around to going. Yeah, that's why I never got around to going. So hey Johnny, can't wait till Saturday night. Got a thirst that's raging, I know a place for a weekend, but that's right, wash away the confusion. Goes down this fire inside, but look out. Yeah, I said look out. Yeah, I said look out, 'cause I'll tear you into pieces if you cross me. 2, 3, 4. Nothing but the same old story. That was for Catherine Bryant there. Thanks very much for the request. Thanks, guys. Thank you very much. I did Hills of Donegal. Rebecca, Jackie Hope was in there. Sunny's Dream. I know what, I'll do Sunny's Dream for you now, and then I'm going to go back and do then I'll do Gobble Girl and Kerosene Night there. How about that? Let me see, do I have... I don't think I have Sunny's Dream handy on this, do I? I think I should just leave out that one. Oh, my Instagram cut off, by the way. Let me have a look there. Because it's not the most important thing, but I'll have a look there anyway and see. And then see if I can get Sunday stream there. Oh Jesus, live video ended. Oh, back on there. I think what happens with Instagram is it I think what happens with Instagram is it hears a song, for copyright, and it just cuts you out. Dicks. So let me know if it cuts out again there. Send a request to be in Keefin's live. What would that do to me? Okay, Sunny's Dream. I should put it into this one here. Let me see. Keep the requests coming in there, lads. And Sunny. That's Sunny. Sunny. Copy. Come on with that. Go into this. Type in that. Type in this. Create that. Press this. Paste that. Done. Okay. Got to go. Hopefully catch you. It won't be Wednesday. It'll be more or less Thursday, I think. Sarah Louise. It's the only day I have left midweek that I could possibly do something there, and I need to check Thursday. I might have taken on something there, but I'll check anyway. Hopefully I can do Thursday. That's the only, as I said, the only day I have kind of left there that I can stream midweek. Monday as well, but I don't think I do Sunday and Monday together, so close together. Thomas Tax. I filed my returns. I did it. I filed my returns. I'm okay. Corey Murphy Music. Hello there, Corey. How are you getting on? Over on Twitch there as well. I'm on the amalgamated the chat there as well. So I hope I'm getting to see everything that's going on Twitch. Okay. Hello from Canada. Oh. Why? The band. Who? Over on YouTube there. Who am I talking to from why? If I can remember the name. That's right. I remember you guys. And what's it like over there now in Canada at the moment? This is strangely enough a Canadian song. Sunny's Dream. Brian, how are you getting on, Brian? Oh, was it Brian? Was it you that I was talking to last time, I think, as well? And if you do have any requests there, let me know. This is Sunny's Dream. And this is a song I learned many years ago, and had to relearn it. is your key. Sonny, don't go away. I'm here all alone. Your daddy, the sailor, never comes home. Nights are so long and silence goes on. I'm feeling so tired and I'm not all that's wrong. Sonny lives on a farm in a wide open space. Take off your shoes, son, stay out of the race. Lay down your head by the soft riverbed. Sonny always remembers the words his mammy says. Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy, the sailor, never comes home. The nights are so long and silence goes on. Oh, I'm feeling so tired and I'm not all that's wrong. Sonny works on the land, though he's barely a man. There's not much to do, but he does what he can. He sits by his window in his room by the stairs, and he watches the waves gently wash upon the pier. Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy, the sailor, never comes home. And nights are so long and silence goes on. Oh, I'm feeling so tired and I'm not all that's wrong. Many years have rolled on, Sonny's old and alone. His daddy, the sailor, never came home. And sometimes he wonders what his life might have been. But from the grave, his mammy still haunts his dreams. Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy, the sailor, never comes home. And nights are so long and silence goes on. Oh, I'm feeling so tired and I'm not all that's wrong. But Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy, the sailor, never comes home. Oh, nights are so long, silence goes on. I'm feeling so tired and I'm not all that strong. Sonny, don't go away. Poor old Sonny. I always imagine like Alberta, something like that there. Works on a farm in a wide open place. Could be like, you know, that's just in my head anyway. Let's see if we can go to the UK. Go traffic guidelines. Oh, Jesus. More restrictions and guidelines. Shizzle pigs. I hope things are open enough here for you, Sarah Louise, to enjoy a little bit of it there. I'm doing good, Brian. Thanks very much, pal. Over there in Canada. Okay. Oh. Did you meant to say hopefully catch you Wednesday? Over in Dublin. Oh, sorry. Now I get you. Yeah. Dublin, Wednesday. I'm in Lundyfoot's there. 7 o'clock there with Dan Dansky. Paul Nelson is in there. Frank Joyce, oh yeah, Frankie is on there. John Boy as well is on the old Instagram. So, yeah, let me see what I can do here. I was going to do Kerosene Light there and the Scaldy Girl there as well. For who was that for? Raymond's looking for. He was looking for Candlelight and Wine. I don't do that one there, but I'll do Kerosene Light for you. And another Canadian song, another very sad Canadian song. Jesus, Canada, you like the old Irish, you love the old sad songs. I remember the time when my granddad and I. I'll do it in a nice. I remember a time when my granddad and I would sit by the fire at night, and I listened to stories of how he once lived by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light, said Mom and Dad send me off to school, where I learned how to read and to write. And they listened for hours as I read from my books by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light, your grandma and I, we were wed at 16. Lord, she was a beautiful sight. And proudly I placed the ring on her hand by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. About 1 year later, your daddy was born, and your grandma held my hand so tight. I can't tell the joy as she brought forth new life by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. But having her child, it did weaken her soul. She just wasn't up to the fight. For she looked so peaceful as she went to her rest by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. Then, as is now, the times they were hard. To succeed, you would try all your might. And sometimes love bloomed, and sometimes dreams die. By the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. Well, I remember the time when my granddad and I, we'd sit by the fire at night, and I listened to stories of how he once lived by the glow of the kerosene light. 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 Thanks very much. By the glow of the kerosene light there. That was for Raymond Smith there. And I'll do a bit of the Scaldy Girl for you there, Big Galway Girl. Nice one. Okay. But thanks very much, Brian. Fair play to you, man. Bravissimo. Grazie per l'attenzione, Renata. Almost at my gig. Thanks a million for the hour company. No bother, Liam Jez. That's a big spin in there for a gig, isn't it? An hour has to be done, man. Fair play to you. Enjoy it anyway, dude. Hope you have a nice old crowd. Rita O'Brien. Oh, that's it. Tagged someone there. Thanks very much, Raven. Fair play to you. If you do think someone will enjoy the stream, I'll have some afternoon delight, please. How are you, Katie? I don't do that one. And I won't be stealing the song from Bowie. You probably get mad if I start singing it. See you now, Renata. Ciao. Have a good one. Ciao. Dirty Irish ciao. Ciao. Thanks very much, Brian. Fair play to you, pal. I appreciate that. It's a bit rough now with the voice. However, I have something that will fix it. Guinness. I don't like more than an old can of Guinness. I'm actually overdoing the old the pints this week. It was yeah, too much pints of Guinness this week. I'll fucking spell this stupid thing. Now, what do I say? Galway Shawl, if you do it, I can try it, John. I will try that one for you. I've ever done it before. I've done it with Bowie before. Careful with the pour. I've given up on my pouring, because I've tried to do it fancy, and people said you don't need to do it fancy. Just dump the can in, and then I dumped the can in, and it turns out like shit. So I just pour it and hope for the best. It's hard when I have equipment around. I'm just trying to get into the can as quickly as possible. So don't any. Hi, straight from the car. How are you, Toby? How are you getting on? So here's Galway Girl, and then I'll try Galway Shawl, and then I'll try Galway Bay. Any fiddle? Oh, Jesus. It's up there on the shelf. Maybe. We'll see how many requests I get. If I have time, I get the fiddle there. Well, I took a stroll on the whole long walk on the day I met a little girl and I stopped to talk. I find softy eye and I ask you, friend, what's a fella to do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? And I knew right then I'd be taking the world round us all the prom with the Galway Girl. Yeah, da 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 da. Yeah, da 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 da. Skiddy da needly da needle da needle da da needle da needle. Yeah, da 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 da. Yeah, da yeah, da 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 da. Skiddy da needle da needle da needle da needle da. We were halfway there when the rain came down on a day she asked me up to her flat downtown, fine softy eye, and he asked you, friend, what's a fella to do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? Yeah, and I knew right then I'd be taking the world round us all the prom with the Galway Girl. Yeah, da 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 da. Yeah, da 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 da. Skilly da nilly da nilly da dee da dee ba dee da dee da dee ba da dee ba ba. Yeah, da dee da. Yeah, da da dee da da. Skilly da dee da dee da dee da da. I was all alone in the day, aye, with a broken heart and a ticket home and a fun soft day, aye. And I ask you, friend, what the fella to do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? See you travel around, been all over this world, boys. I ain't never seen nothing like a Galway girl. Da 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 da, yeah da 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 da, skiddy da diddly da diddly da diddly da da diddly da diddly da, yeah da 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 da, yeah da diddly da, yeah da 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 da, skiddy da diddly da diddly da diddly da diddly ba diddly da diddly da bam, yeah diddly bam bam, skiddy da diddly da diddly, rattle diddly da diddly da diddly da diddly da da diddly da diddly bam bam, yeah diddly bam bam da diddly da diddly, rap diddly lap diddly lap diddly bam diddly lap dam diddly lap diddly bam bam. Galway girl there for you, guys. Okay, lots of fiddly stuff coming in there. She wore jewels. I can't see, I don't have Galway shawl in my lyrics here. Let me see if I can try it for you. And then I'll see if I can do something fiddle. Like the last time I played fiddle would have been probably during, I don't know, like June or July or something like that. Whatever was the last stream I did it on was the last time I played the fucking thing. Unfortunately. Shaw lyrics. No. Okay. What's this? Okay. But sure, why not? I will try it. I'll try a bit of fiddling for you. As long as we're all aware of the disclaimer. I'm not a fiddle player. I just like the fiddle, and I have one. Galway shawl. So now this one is in my phone for good. Now Bowie does this one. He does a great job of it there. I pulled over to change the car radio settings into extra loud to be able to feel the whole live crack as good as possible for the next 40 minutes. No bother, Toby. That's savage, man. They must have a good old sound system in the old car there. Disclaimer. Yeah, right. Some put up this disclaimer there as well that I'm not a fiddle player, but I'll do this one here first. This one was for John Boy. Am I still live on Instagram? I wonder. Let me check. I'm still live on it. Okay, just more and more, in the county Galway on a pleasant evening, under me, I spied a damsel near and handsome. She's like it could be G. And more in the county Galway, one pleasant evening in the month of May, I spied a damsel. She was fair and handsome. Her beauty nearly took my breath away. She wore no jewels, no costly diamonds. but she wore a bonnet with a ribbon on it, and around her shoulder was the Galway shawl. We kept on walking, she kept on talking, till her father's cottage came into view. She said, "Come in, sir, and meet me father, and play to him, please, the foggy Jew." She sat me down beside the hearthstone. I could see her father, he was 6 feet tall, and soon her mother had the kettle singing. All I could think of was the Galway shawl. She wore no jewels, no costly diamonds, nor paint nor powder, no, none at all. But she wore a bonnet with a ribbon on it, and around her shoulders was the Galway shawl. I played the blackbird and the stack of barley, Rodney's glory and the foggy Jew. She sang each note like an Irish linnet, and the tears well in her eyes of blue. 'Twas early in the morning, I hit the roads for old Donegal. She said, "Goodbye, sir," and she cried and kissed me, but in my heart remained with the Galway shawl. She wore no jewels, no costly diamonds, no paint, no powder, no, none at all. But she wore a bonnet with a ribbon on it, and around her shoulders was the Galway shawl. And around her shoulders was the Galway shawl. I don't think I did one right chord in that song. I'll have to go over that again, because I got to do it for something soon. I want to waltz every time we hear the Galway shawl. I'm ready for the Nose Whistle to make a comeback as well. The next Finn stream is going to be a Nose Whistle Bonanza. Sherry Shineland is in there as well. How are you getting on? Leo Masterson is in there as well. Carly Hayden, what are you talking about? I'm ready for the Nose Whistle. And Carly said the Nose Whistle. Okay. And hello, Carly. I saw you over on Instagram as well. Okay, I have fiddle. Okay. But that one there was for John Boy over there on the Instagram. Okay, fiddle. Jesus. As I said, I haven't played it, but I don't mind mixing up the stream because. You can see it's tucked away. So Um, Lovely song, that Galway Shawl, isn't it? Um, I'm bouncing in and out of other platforms. Carly, you can go on Twitch and then you can just have it playing away in the background, you know. That's if you want. Because I find it hard as well. As soon as I find a stream and stuff like that, I was like, oh, deadly class on Facebook, you know. And then I'm like, sure, I want to be still googling and noodling and stuff on the phone, same time. So that's why I like the old Twitch, you know. But if you just joined in the stream, how are you getting on? Helene and Bazooki Lukey join in there as well on the old Instagram there as well. And this is a disclaimer: I'm not a fiddle player. I like to fiddle, but this is gonna sound terrible. So nobody judging me here. I like to multitask. Is this thing in tune? I wonder. I'll just have to do something slow because, as I said, I can play this. I can't remember what I did before on it. Judgment free zone. Right, so I'm still at beginner level here, okay? So if you're listening, so you can mute it there if you want for a little break. Sit back a little bit for this one because I've got no space. If anyone judges you, I'll knife a biatch. Okay, so Grania Gahan jumps in. Soon, first time I heard from it in a while, Grania, and you're a fiddler master. So, as are the kids. Let me have a drink of the old Guinness here. So maybe I could do There's a bit of a Shoot with a Fair would sound good on the fiddle. It would. Well done. That has to do with the. Said to me, my mother won't mind, and my father won't slight you for the lack of your kind. And she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, wedding day. And she went away from me. She moved through the fair, and fondly I watched her move here and move there. And then she went onward, just one star away, like the swan in the evening moved over the lake. Well, my young love said to me, my mother won't mind, and my father won't slight you for the lack of your kind. And she laid her hand on me, and until our wedding day. There you go, a bit of a fiddle there, and she moved through the fair as well. Two birds with one, a bit of stone there as well. I'll have to try. I might keep the fiddle out there, and try and get something, a couple of tunes for you on. And I'll have a pickup on it here as well, so I'll see if I can get it sounding a little bit harsh as well for that. Anyway, there you go, a bit of fiddle. Well, I'll leave it out. If I feel inspired to play another tune before I finish up here tonight, I'll do it for you as well. But that was a nice, good suggestion there about the Segway. Who said that there? Was it Katie? I love the old drone as well. Never know. Segway. Kate Louise, yeah, fair play to you. Good. That was a good suggestion there. The segue into there. I might. I'll have to. I might even add that to the set list there, something like that. Thanks very much, Sherry, and thanks Katie, and thanks Kelly, or thanks Tobunklu. Covered. Oh, the snow covered fields in complete dark. Mystic version seen through the fair. Deadly. Thanks, Toby. That sounds cool, man. It's snowing all over the world. I wish we had a bit of snow here. Thanks very much, guys. Warburton. Oh, Boxer. Some people here jumped in on the old Twitch. I don't know what's the raid. I'm not looking at the Twitch. I'm looking at the amalgamated chat here. But you guys are very, very welcome on the stream there over on Twitch. Is that Panther Sources, ma'am? Warburton? Is that right? Am I right in remembering that? No one judged you. It's worthy of video. I'd love to do a video of that one. I have to say, it's in my mind. What's yours? Noel Walsh, Kelly, and Dave Dunn Music is on. How are you, Dave? Fantastic musician, and also Beto and Bazuki Luki, another class musician there on as well. Hope you're doing well, lads. And Hey Elaine is on there as well. And I don't know who else might be on there. Just 6 watching their anime. So, guys, I hope you're enjoying the Instagram feed there as well. I am over on, this is just the phone angle. I'm over there on Twitch and YouTube there as well, and Facebook as well. If you want to get the full experience there, stereo and better angle and all that kind of stuff. Oh, this is the side angle, the stage side view. Little George, cheers, bro. Fiddle play, appreciate it. Yeah. Deadly, that's class. I'm glad you like the old fiddle there. If you can stick it and stand, listen to it, I'll play it because I like it. It's my favourite instrument. I never got around to learning it ever properly. It's just I'm not able. So let me just check the time here. Okay, loads of time left, guys. I'm going to be wrapping up at 8 o'clock, so that's just just under an hour, about 50 minutes or 52 minutes away. So keep the request flying in there as well. I might squeeze in another tune there on the fiddle if I have another pint of Guinness in me. Yeah, keep the request coming there as well. I'll go back and do a few songs here if anyone wants to hear any for you. The fiddle is dominating, dominating the chat. It's gas, you know. The support that you guys show someone there who's you know, obviously it's not epic playing, because I play with epic fiddle players quite a lot, and you know, when you have it in your head what it should sound like or what you would like it to sound like, it's funny, you know. But I was talking to Kelly about this before as well, about not putting yourself down all the time. But good. Thanks very much. Fair play to little George over there on YouTube. Keep trying to call me Hulk Ray John. Caledonia, absolutely. Roberson's in there with a bit of Caledonia, so I'll be happy to do that one for you. It's a lovely song. It's a lovely Scottish song, Dougie MacLean. Let me do down here in the. So not digging that EQ. I don't know if you can see the changes that have come over me these past few days. I've been afraid that I might drift away. I've been telling old stories and singing songs that make me think about where I came from. That's the reason why I feel so far away today. Let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, now you're calling me. Now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia has been everything I've ever had. Now I have moved, and I have kept on moving, and I've proven points that I needed proving. I've lost the friends that needed losing, found others on the way. Now I've kissed the girls, and I've left them crying. I've stolen dreams, yes, there's no denying. I've travelled far with coattails flying, somewhere with the wind. Let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, now you're calling me. Now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia has been everything I've ever had. Well, I'm sitting here before the fire, the empty rooms now a forest choir. The flames have died, don't get any higher. They've withered now, they've gone. But I am steady thinking my way is clear, and I know what I will do tomorrow. Now the hands are shaking and the kisses flowed, and I will disappear. Let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, now you're calling me, now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia, it's been everything I've ever had. Caledonia, you're everything I've ever had. Dankeschön. There's a bit of Caledonia for you, hey. And speaking of Caledonia, hey, Barry Mohan just joined the old the stream there on Instagram. And how are you getting on, Barry? Fantastic musician, playing with All Folked Up now as well. He was on it with them, not with them, with them, not with them, and with them. Is that right, Barry? And Porix, Barry and Porrick Mohan are brothers, obviously there. So the Mohan brothers in All Folked Up doing class stuff at the moment there, and I might be doing a little bit of something with them very soon. Actually, I'm quite excited to unofficially announce. But and the High Street Prophets are in there as well. We hear fantastic band there as well. The High Street Prophets are in there on the old Instagram stream. I like the old Instagram thing. You see a lot of people that you wouldn't normally be jumping on the streams there as well. Kind of they catch you by accident. They're going through the old stories, so that's kind of cool as well. Mossy Power Music there as well. Another fantastic musician there. Mossy Power, Canada as well. And on Facebook there, hi Mossy, hope you're getting on. Always throwing up some class videos there, guys. I don't know what your last one was, Mossy there, but you can let us know what it was. And have a nice first Advent, Wilberson. Yeah, thank you so much. Very nice, Boxer. Very, very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sean. Thank you, Sean. Thank you, Sean Wilberson. Greetings from Germany. Guten Abend. You guys there from Kelly's good for them pep talks. Kelly's good for the old pep talks as well, and she's good for stabbing the biatches as well. Probably shouldn't say that. Kelly's good for the old pep talk there as well. I love the background lights. Kelly there likes the old lights there. Yeah, this is I'm building up the old Christmas spirit here. I don't normally like committing to Christmas until it's December. But I already sang a Christmas song already, and I put up my lights as well, because we're putting up the Christmas tree tonight. Tonight's Prosecco night, but it's also the Christmas tree night, because we won't get a chance to put it up there to next week, and then that'll be into December then. And I'd rather have it up at the start of December. So that's what I have. More Christmas songs. Who's that? Who's Kate? Is Katie? Katie R. Katie Louise, is that you over there as well on KTR 984? Which Katie is that? I just can't see the little picture. And Matt Tavares joined as well. You're very welcome to the stream there. Okay. I must try and work a little bit harder on the old Instagram sound and stuff like that at the moment there, because I think it looks like a good buzz as well. Okay, I'll do a Christmas song. I'm going to try, because I downloaded some lyrics there for Christmas songs, and I'm going to try them. What are they? Let me see. I texted Bowie because we're organising our Christmas gigs, and our Christmas Zooms and all that kind of stuff there. And we wanted a few Christmas songs there for. So let me see. Bowie says I'm going to do Badam Badam. Badam, and possibly a version of Ba Ba Bam. And I think he has his own Christmas song as well that he wrote as well. And I have a Christmas sea shanty that I'm working on for the last too long. So let me see, what did I tell him I would do? Ivana. Told him what I was going to do here. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm going to do this one here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. So a Christmas song here. And if you just joined us, guys, on the stream, and you're wondering why I'm talking so much, it's gonna, I don't know. Talking show you. Out in San Francisco, getting all my inspiration here. But Jesus, Mossy Power. Out in San Fran. Savage, man. We were there before, and deadly old city. Really enjoyed it. Also, you let me know when we're going to do the sound check. That's tomorrow, Kelly, isn't it? For the Toledo Zoom? Yes, it is. I will. I'll let you know. If you just give me a text there. I know I'm still up unread. Unreplied the text there on the old thread there as well. Vonna was outside. I was trying to get her bring me another pint of Guinness. But I don't think she can hear me. Boys a bar in the Shroida. Jesus, you could be right, Sydney. But I don't know that song. I might try. I'll try this one here. This one's a song called "Grandma Got Run Over by a Reindeer." Let me know if you know that one, but I'm gonna try it. I like it. I know you're really busy, but hope we'll get some Christmas streams soon. Yeah, we're like we miss them a lot, you know. We miss the old streams, but we're mad busy. You know, I'll probably get them to jump in and replace one of my solo streams, whether it's going to be a Sunday or a Thursday. But he's busy there doing his own thing and with the family as well. So you know that's happening there. But we have a couple of projects coming up there soon as well. I'm gonna try this one. I never did this one before. Okay, do you know this one? Grandma Got Run Over by a Reindeer. Give me something. No, I don't like that one. No, don't like that one. No. I like that one. Okay. Eggnog, and we begged her not to go, but she forgot her medication, so she stumbled out the door into the snow. When they found her Christmas morning at the scene of the attack, she had hoopins on her forehead and incriminating claws marks on her back. Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. Now you can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe. Now we're all so proud of Grandpa. Well, he's been taking this so well. See him in there watching the football and playing cards and drinking beer with Cousin Mel. Well, it's not Christmas without Grandma, and all the family's dressed in black. But we can't help but wonder, should we open a up her gifts or send them back. Send them back. Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. Oh, you may think there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe. Well, now the goose is on the table, and the pudding made of fig, and the blue and silver candles that would have matched the hair in Grandma's wig. Now I warned all my friends and neighbors, better watch out for yourself. They should never give a license to a man who drives a sleigh and plays with elves. Oh, Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. Oh, you can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe. Oh, now Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You may think there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe. But as for me and Grandpa, we believe. But as for me and Grandpa, we believe. Thanks very much. There is, I was going to try to go into something else here, but I don't have it. No, I don't. Grandma got run over by a reindeer. And that was absolutely worth bringing a key. That's a class song. I remember that one there from, and those of you who are of age and possibly more in the UK than anywhere, remember that from Atlantic 252. Do you remember that? Radio station? I listened to Longwave Radio, Atlantic 252. I remember that song was always on the radio at Christmas time, and I always loved it. I'll do another song here for you. Another Christmas one. I've done the big Christmas one, my favourite one anyway, already, but let me see where I put this on here. There's 12 days of Christmas. That's the 12 days of Christmas first right there. Maybe we can do a couple of Christmas songs. Very catty, that would be kind of cool. Instagram gone. Is Instagram gone again? Is it? Fucking stupid thing. Oh no, it's still there. It's still there. Instagram, Paddy Reese. Okay, I'll do another one here. Another Christmas song for the crack. Let me see. Snow is falling all around me, the children playing, having fun. It's the season of love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Time for parties and celebrations, people dancing all night long. Time for presents and exchanging kisses. Time for singing Christmas songs. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe, kiss by candlelight. Room is swaying, I wish that every day was Christmas. What a nice way to spend the year. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe. Kiss by candlelight, room is swaying, records playing, all the old songs we love to hear. But how I wish that every day was Christmas. What a nice way to spend the year. Bum, 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 down, 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 bum, snow is falling all around me. The children playing, having fun. Time for kisses and exchanging presents. Time for singing the Christmas songs. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find a girl underneath the mistletoe. Kiss the candlelight, room is swaying, oh, records playing, all the old songs we love to hear. Oh, now I wish that every day was Christmas. What a nice way to spend the year. Oh, Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh, Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh, Merry Christmas, everyone. Thanks very much. There's I think was it Cliff Richard or Shakin' Stevens, I think. Thanks very much. Clear to hear. Play that. I'll do that one. Yeah, I'll do that one for you. That's a newish one I'm doing. Could you segue into the Ring of Fire? Maybe it would have worked. It could have worked actually, but wrong key. It's about four keys too high for me. But it's a good rhythm as well. Yeah, I could have managed to change the key a little bit there. No, there's no Finn's calendar. Drop a song each year for the Finn's Advent calendar. We would, but we just don't have fucking time to get them recorded. I'll do Clear to Hear. Absolutely, do Clear to Hear. I think I'll try and I might run down and get another can after this one here. What do you think of that? Because I still have half an hour left. Where's Clear to Hear? I thought I put that on Clear to Hear. I did. So if you guys just join in here, live video ended again on my own Instagram. So I'll just go back onto there again. Sorry about that. I just heard. I'm sure I heard the. I think I heard that Christmas song, and it just. And they said no, you can't be doing them songs. I'll probably get banned. I'll probably get banned from Instagram. So how do these people are supposed to like do stuff, you know? Shakin' Stevens. Was it Shakin' Stevens that did that song, or was it Cliff Richard? Holly and Ivy. Oh, the Holly and the Ivy. Oh, you might know that one. I don't know that one, Woberson. But last year, I attempted a version of Silent Night in German, and I will try that one for you. The next stream, not this one. Not this one because I'll have to try and find it and go through it at least once because I murdered it last time. But my cousin speaks German and I'd run it by her first of all. What was I doing again? Clear to hear. I'll do Clear to hear anyway. I swore I share this room, and we work hard for the crack. We sleeping late on Sundays, we never get to mass. It's a long, long way from clear to here. It's a long, long way from clear to here. It's a long, long way, it gets further day by day. It's a long, long way from clear to here. When Friday comes around, the Eddie's in the fighting. Mom would like a letter home, but I'm too tired for writing. It's a long, long way from clear to here. It's a long, long way from clear to here. It's a long, long way, it gets further day by day. It's a long, long way from clear to here. It almost breaks my heart when I think of Josephine. I told her I'd be coming home with pockets full of green. It's a long, long way from here to here. It's a long, long way from clear to here. Oh, it's a long, long way, it gets further day by day. It's a long, long way from clear to here. The only time I feel alright is when I'm into drinking. It can sort of ease the pain of it and it levels out my thinking. It's a long, long way from clear to here. Well, it's a long, long way from clear to here. Oh, it's a long, long way, it gets further day by day. It's a long, long way from clear to here. Sometimes I hear the fiddle play, or maybe it's a notion. I dream of when I see a horses dance upon the ocean. It's a long, long way from clear to here. It's a long, long way from clear to here. It's a long, long way from clear to here. Well, it's a long, long way from clear to here. Whoa, it's a long, long way, it gets further day by day. It's a long, long way from clear to here. Well, it's a long, long way from clear to here. Whoa, it's a long, long way, it gets further day by day. It's a long, long, long way from clear to here. Clear to hear. I also think Guy and Boo should do dueling whistles with the nose whistle and bird whistle. That video will be sure to go viral. Nose whistle and bird whistle there. Hold on, I'm the nose whistler and the bird whistler, so he's gonna have to do something with the pickle. I suppose I could give him, nose whistle. Thanks very much, Robertson and Boxer. You're very, very welcome. Thank you, Sean. Thanks, Sherry. and thanks Kelly, and Fiddle. That's right, Fiddle got a mention there, Katie. I love that song actually there, yeah, and I'm delighted it was requested quite a lot there. That made me add it to the list there as well. I've stormed home, bumped into my flat, and immediately switched on the telly. You're already running on the big screen again now. Tobias, you're a fake legend, Toby. Good man. I hope it sounds as good on the telly as it did in the car, man. Paul O'Brien. Oh man, I'm super late in, but can't stay either. I'll catch it back though for sure. Happy Sunday, Paul. Lovely to see you even jumping in just for a second, pal. Yeah, there's no bother having no listen back there, man. There's no bother, and hopefully I'll be able to go live again on the during the week here as well. Guys, start running the last couple of requests there as well. I'm gonna go for something, and I'll be back in a second. And the last a couple of requests there as well. And if you're listening on Instagram, thanks for jumping in on the York there. I'll be back in a second. I'm gonna mute it here for a second, and I'll be back. So don't worry. Alright guys, I'm going to be finishing up very shortly in about 15 minutes or something like that there, so now is the time to shoot in a couple of requests. Hoping I didn't miss anyone's really important request, something like that, or shout out. Sheila Rose and Colm Keane are in there watching there. How are you getting on? Pef joined as well. Could be Colm Keane. Hey Big and Hey Big 53. Who's that again? That's not Helene. And you guys are very welcome on the Instagram feed. It's just a little kind of a backstage camera view there. I'm on streaming on YouTube and Twitch and Facebook at the moment there as well. So if you want to get that full experience, jump over there onto the old Twitch or the Facebook or the YouTube channels there, and have a listen there. We're listening stereo and watch the wide angle and all that kind of stuff there. But you're welcome to stay on the Instagram either. Patty Reese here. I was trying to figure it out there. Hevig53. I recognise the username, but I get confused with the old usernames, I have to say. And there's that column, I don't know, there's that column Keen on it there. And who was Sheila, S-H-E-L-A, Sheila Rose? So, Tyler Lev Music. I will be looking to raid. I feel so lonely without him here. He plays pickle. Careful now. And we're going to head out. No bother, John. Thanks very much for jumping in. I will Tyler Lev Music. I'll do that one. I'll probably have it saved there. It'll probably auto thing for me there. So, I will do that for sure. Or if anyone else has any suggestion as well, that's no problem as well. But I'll do Tyler there as well. I'll do Billy Reid, and I'll finish with the Mary Medley. Boom. Okay, and that's guys. That's all I'll have time for there. So I'm gonna top up this Guinness, and then I'm going to take a drink out of it, and then I'll do Billy Reid, and then I'll do the Mary set. Okay. So I hope that's cool with you guys. And hopefully I'll be back. I'll be able to go back and stream on Thursday. I think there's one. I know I said that last Thursday and I didn't make it. But I'm kind of doing a bit of work on the old parents' house there at the moment. And I'm hungry. I have to buy three more devices. What was I looking at there? 3 more is this to stream on simultaneously every platform. Not to miss anything. Yeah, geez, well I have 4 computers open here, 5 computers and a laptop and a phone. So okay. So guys, I'll do Billy Reid here, okay, and then I'm going to do the Mary set. Well, I'll sing you a song of a terrible wrong. When the flags they all stood at half-mast, of a man he lay dead, he lay riddled with lead, and he died on the streets of Belfast. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with the gun in his hand. And he never said why Billy Reid had to die, but he died to free Ireland. Well, it happened one day when the bold IRA set out to fight for their land. With an old Thompson gun, they put the troops on the run. To return to their home was their plan. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with the gun in his hand. And he never said why Billy Reid had to die, and he died to free free Ireland. While returning them guns, Billy met with the Huns, and when the fight had begun, his position was dire, and his gun wouldn't fire. So he died with that old Thompson gun. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with the gun in his hand. And he never said why Billy Reid had to die, but he died to free Ireland. Now although he lay dead, he lay kicked in the head by the hair. They dragged him around, and they still fear him yet, and he'll never forget how brave Billy Reid stood his ground. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with the gun in his hand. And he never said why Billy Reid had to die, but he died to free Ireland. Well, if you think he was right, come join in the fight and help us to free our Belfast. For the blood that he shed, and although he lay dead, in our hearts his memory will last. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with the gun in his hand. And he never said why Billy Reid had to die, but he died to free Ireland. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with the gun in his hand. And he never said why Billy Reid had to die, but he died to free Ireland. Yes, he died to free Ireland. Yes, he died to free our Ireland. Actually, much guys, just a bit of Mary set there, and this is it from me. Enjoy the rest of your night, and thanks very much for all the requests and all that good stuff. Once I finish this set, I'll raid Tyler Lev Music there on Twitch if you want to jump in on that. Last July, a fine girl came up behind me. Red-haired Mary, I did cry, will you come with me? Red-haired Mary, the donkey he can carry too. She looked at me, her eyes a twinkle, her cheeks were all rosy hue. Take the kindly sir, she answered, then she tossed her bright red hair. Says I'll howl a donkey if you ride with me to the Dingle Fair. When we reached the town of Dingle, she got me hand to say goodbye. When I took her, he came up behind me, hit me right in my left eye. Take your hands off Red-haired Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the roosters early morn, the night the lion on marriage bed. Would you take your hands off Red-haired Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the roosters early morn, the night the lion on marriage bed. Sore. I kicked the tinker with me hobnail and knocked him through Tom Murphy's door. He galloped off to meet his father, the tallest man you ever meet. He tapped me gently with his knuckle, now I'm missing two front teeth. And she, the happy conning I go, she said, never mind the priestess, Mary Marn. Tonight we'll sleep in Murphy's shed. Take her hands off red hair Mary, sheen high her to be wed. We were with the priestess, Mary Marn. Tonight we'll lie in our marriage bed. Will you take her hands off red hair Mary, sheen high her to be wed. We were with the priestess, Mary Marn. Tonight we'll lie in our marriage bed. Came a peeler, told him I had broke the law. The donkey kicked him on the knee, he fell down and broke his jaw. Down through the fair together, my black eye and her red hair. Gazing gaily at the tinker, weren't we the happy pair? Take her hands off red hair Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priestess early morn, tonight we'll lie in our marriage bed. Will you take her hands off red hair Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priestess early morn, tonight we'll lie in our marriage bed. Step we gaily on we go, heel from heel and toe for toe, arm in arm and row, off for Mary's wedding. Over hill ways, up and down, myrtle green and bracken brown, after Sheelings through the town, off for the sake of Mary. Step we gaily on we go, heel for heel and toe for toe, arm in arm and row, off for the sake of Mary. Red her cheeks as Rowan's are, bright as eyes as any star, fairest of them all by far is her darling Mary. Step we gaily on we go, heel for heel and toe for toe, arm in arm and row, off for Mary's wedding. Plenty herring, plenty meal, plenty beef to fill her keel, plenty bonny birds as well, and that's a toast for Mary. Step we gaily on we go, heel for heel and toe for toe, arm in arm and row, off for Mary's wedding. And we go heel for heel, toe for toe, arm in arm and row, off for Mary's wedding. Well, in the village of Kilgorey, there's a maiden young and fair. Her eyes a shine like diamonds, she had long and golden hair. When a countryman came riding up to her father's gate, he rode on him in Italian, he came at the stroke of 8. Oh, step it on Mary, my fine daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Well, I have come to wed your daughter Mary of the golden hair. I have gold and I have silver, I have goods beyond compare. I will buy for her silk satins and a gold ring for her hand. I will buy for her a mansion, she'll have servants to command. Stepping on Mary, my fine daughter, stepping on Mary if you can. Stepping on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Stepping on Mary, my fine daughter, stepping on Mary if you can. Stepping on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Ho! Well, in the village of Kilgorey, there's a maiden young and fair. Her eyes shine like diamonds, she had long and golden hair. When a countryman came riding up to her father's gate, he rode on a milk white stallion, he came at the stroke of 8. Oh, step it on Mary, my fine daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Well, I have come to wed your daughter Mary of the golden hair. I have gold and I have silver, I have goods beyond compare. I will buy for her silk satins and a gold ring for her hand. I will buy for her a mansion, she'll have servants to command. Oh, step it on Mary, my fine daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Sir, I love a soldier, I have pledged to him my hand. I don't want to go nor silver, I don't want your house nor land. When you start to smoke up sharply, he will do as you're told. You will marry him on Sunday, you'll wear that ring of gold. Oh, step it out, Mary, my fine daughter, step it out, Mary, if you can. Oh, step it on, Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Kilgorey, there's a deep stream running by. They found Mary there at midnight. She had drowned with her soldier boy. In the village there is music. You can hear her father say, well, step it out, Mary, my fine daughter. Sunday is your wedding day. Step it out, Mary, my fine daughter. Step it out, Mary, if you can. Step it out, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman. Step it out, Mary, my fine daughter. Step it out, Mary, if you can. Step it out, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman. My fine daughter, step it on, Mary, if you can. Step it on, Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Step it on, Mary, my fine daughter, step it on, Mary, if you can. Step it on, Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Thanks very much, guys. That is it from me. Let's do an old raid over there on Twitch, and I'll see you back on. I'll see you back on hopefully on Thursday or something like that. I think poor old Mary, step it out, Mary. She told to step it out, and no questions being asked. So I'm gonna do a raid here on Twitch. So let me go into Twitch here. If you're watching there on Instagram, I'm gonna be stopping the stream now in a second. But thanks for listening on Instagram. If you're listening on that, let me open up Twitch here and make sure that I'm in my my own channel here before we do an on raid. Thanks very much, guys, for listening. A couple of new names are jumping in on it there as well. Thanks for tagging people as well. I'd love to grow the old fan base a lot more, and thanks for all the support so far there as well. Hon, you big effing hunky. Zach Moore in there as well. Again, there. How are you, Zach? Nice to have you jumping on the stream, man. You're handsome too. Don't feel too handsome these days after a year and a half doing nothing. Happy Prosecco Christmas tree decoration. I just checked with Yvonne and she is absolutely bollocks, she said. So hopefully we can do a bit of the tree is already up there. Just then there's no decorations on it there. So okay, let's do how to do it again. Raid / space Tyler Lev music. I think that's it. Let's try that one. I think I did it here. And thanks, Corey. Thanks very much, pal. I do appreciate it there. I don't know what that is, but I don't know what that link you put in there, but I'm going to copy it. Fuck. Sorry. I mean to say F, but F. And thanks, Woberson. Thanks very much. I'm just looking here on the old thing. I don't know if did I do the raid right. Let me see. I don't think I did. Did I? Slash first. Sorry. I am a rookie. Um, music. If anyone did have any requests for any of raids, there's no problem there as well. And Corey, if you're doing any, if you let me know, man, if you're streaming on a Sunday night or something like that, and we're doing our raid onto your page, man, no problem. Okay, I think that's a raid there now. Let's see if that works. Tyler Lev music. Is it Tyler Lev's music? I want to see the. I'm not drunk. But after a few Prosecco's, it will be. That's if we're going to do it. Thanks everyone. I won't do the names this time because I'm going to miss someone there. So thanks to everyone there who. I don't think it still worked, did it? Is it Tyler Lev's music? I don't think I did it right, did I? Fake it anyway. Let me check here. Oh, I'm going to be in the trouble here now in a second. Tyler. Excuse me. Tyler Lev's music. How embarrassing. Right in front of Corey Murphy music as well. Yeah, man, let's set it up there. Absolutely. Tyler Lev's music. Oh yeah, I need to put in what was it, the slash first. Oh Jesus. Raid. Tyler Lev's music. Tyler Lev's music raid. Did I do it right or did I do it wrong again? Oh, okay. So, 6 viewers. I'm gonna go over there and raid. I'm not gonna be jumping in on a stream anyway, guys. So tell Tyler I said hello if he gives me a shout out. Someone can request a song for me, dedicate it to me, and I'll listen back if I can, if it's doable. So guys, thanks very much. I'm gonna end the stream. I'm raiding now on Twitch. Enjoy Tyler's. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna end the stream. So thanks very much. Let me go over here and end this Instagram one. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. And I'm gonna end the stream here as well. So guys, thanks very much. Appreciate it. Have a good one.